Welcome back, guys. Welcome. Today I'm going to share with you some tips where you can make some extra cash. Now, guys, this is for everyone. Please go ahead and click on that like button and subscribe. You won't believe it's that easy. You'll be working to pay yourself. You don't need no skills, no experience, no knowledge. All you need is to be very specific and be competent. You're gonna be setting your own price. Yes. After watching this video, you will pick at least 1 gig today and start. Trust me. There are 2 sites I'll tell you about: Fiverr and Upwork. Just a little information about these platforms. They're a global online marketplace for freelance services. They connect freelancers to people or businesses looking to hire. So the first one is review and testimonials. Yes, you can give your honest opinion about a particular product that you have used already. All right. So companies always want review. All right, and this is another simple one: remove image background from photos. All right, and you have app like Canvas, which is free. I use it all the time. So the last one is data entry and copy and pasting. Yes, guys, we do this every day, especially YouTubers. So let's get on the site and let's get that extra money. And I guess if you get this far, please like this video, subscribe, show your love. See you in the next one. Bye.